Hey element gang, welcome back to this another video. So I had the most amazing Chick-fil-A salad over the weekend, so I'm going to attempt to create it by myself. Come on with me. So I started off by frying some chicken strips, the breast of the chicken. While the chicken was frying, I also boiled 2 eggs to add to my salad. So while that was happening, I'm going to be doing cabbage, lettuce, cucumber, and some carrots. I'm gonna go ahead and wash these and I will be with you in a minute. So here I'm actually cutting the cabbage into 4 because the cabbage was too much. So I'm doing 1/4 of a cabbage. Now I'm going to be doing the lettuce. So now I'm finished with the lettuce. I'm gonna go ahead and do the carrot. I don't like it too small, so I'm gonna use the second biggest side of the grater. This part I'm gently mixing the vegetable. I'm gently mixing it with my hands. Now I'm peeling the cucumber. I already washed it. So I like the skin, so I'm going to give it a little design. So I'm not gonna peel all the skin off, but I'm gonna peel some off. Here I'm actually cutting it into 4 pieces, and once I finish cutting it into 4 pieces, I'm going to remove most of the seed because I don't want my salad too watery. So I'm removing the wet part on the inside that has the seeds. Now here I'm cutting it to my liking. Please note I'm not a professional, okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and gently mix all of that together. I'm doing it gently because I don't want the salad to become saggy. Now the eggs are finished. What I'm doing now is I'm gently peeling it, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to add it to a bowl, and I'm going to add some ice to it because the ice is going to cause it to cool down so I can properly prepare it for the salad. I let it sit in the water for about 10 minutes. Now it's cool, so I'm making the eggs into circular pieces to add to the salad once I'm plating it. Now I'm going to be doing the sweet corn. I was trying to use that, it wasn't working, so I resort to the Jamaican way, and then I'm going to rinse it and put it in the microwave to warm for a minute. The fried chicken is all ready, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be cutting it into bite-sized pieces for plating. So here I'm going to be plating for my lunch. You see my daughter in the background want to help. Additionally, I'm going to be adding some cheddar jack cheese for taste. Yes, it had it. And I'm going to finish up the meal by adding the corn. I'm going to then add eggs, and then I'm going to put the chicken on the side, on the top. There you go. And yes, I love me some Chick-fil-A sauce with my salad. No matter the salad, I'm going to be adding my Chick-fil-A sauce. Okay, guys? I'm a Chick-fil-A sauce girl, okay? And this is a look at the finished product with the Chick-fil-A sauce. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, turn on your post notification, like and share.